Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by launching Google Maps and immediately choosing directions. Tap the walking icon so Maps calculates pedestrian paths rather than driving roads. This ensures sidewalks and footpaths are prioritized. Enter your destination and glance at the ETA and route options. Once done, pick the route that avoids busy roads or steep climbs. Make sure location services and Wi-Fi or mobile data are on so the app can pinpoint you accurately. And then tap Start to begin step-by-step navigation. Once navigation begins, follow the turn-by-turn directions and the live directional arrows so you don't miss a subtle turn. You can swipe up on the route card to view alternate paths or adjust for fewer stairs or a quicker route. This is useful if conditions change. Make sure voice guidance is enabled so you can keep your eyes up. If traffic or closures appear, Maps will reroute automatically, and you can tap an alternate suggestion to switch mid-walk. To finish, tap End so navigation stops and Maps logs your walk in your timeline if you want a record. Once you arrive, mark the place or save it for future trips. This helps with repeat routes. If you notice GPS drift or wrong directions, try toggling location services, turning Wi-Fi off and on, or recalibrating your phone's compass by moving it in a figure 8. This usually fixes positional errors and gets guidance accurate again.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.